What's up and welcome to my channel. I recommend you to also take a look at my other channel, which is Edward Excel. I share a lot of interesting things. With that being said, a lot of traders think that smart money make them profitable. I recommend to pay close attention to all the things that are shared in my channel right here, whether they are the shorts or the videos or also the written things that I share and most people don't take a look at. I recommend you to take a look at these things because a lot of people, as I said already, think that smart money makes you profitable. But why? If everyone knows about smart money, why is not everyone profitable yet? Why are 95% of the traders still losing money? This doesn't make sense because it seems like smart money is the holy grail, but at the same time, 95% of the people are still losing money. Of course, it can be a mindset problem. Of course, it can be, not good risk management and a lot of other things. But at the same time, it looks like smart money doesn't really work. Is that really it? I'm not sure. Actually, I am. I know that, I know for sure that you need to have a statistical edge when you are trading. Smart money doesn't make you profitable. My strategy has some concepts of smart money. It actually has many concepts that are put together and many others that I don't really take a look at. The reason why is because you need to find a statistical edge on the market, whether it is with smart money or with other things, and you need to make sure that your strategy is backtested and works statistically. We are here, and I am here in this channel to show you concepts that are making me profitable. So, with that being said, let's get started. Perfect. Okay. So, perfect. Here we see that we have this liquidity sweep. As I was saying, let's see if we have actually a good change of character. We go on the 1 minute, and what we want to see is the last demand before the push to the upside to be broken. Now, here this happens. We can kind of consider this a change of character, but to be honest, what I like to see is clear structure. Here, we don't see clear structure. This is clear structure. This is what I refer to when I say clear structure. Here we just have a bearish candle and then we continue, bearish candle and then we continue. So I don't really like the setup overall. I will not even save it. This is not the type of setup that I like to trade. Now let's see once we break to the downside. If we break to the downside. And by this time, my trading day is over. At 3 p.m. London time, my trading day is over. Do you actually hear me? Write in the chat if you hear me. Let me know. Perfect. Asian session starts. This is GBUSD. We're backtesting, kind of seeing what type of trades we could have taken during the month of February and March. Here we break to the downside. Let's see if we have a previous low down here. No, we actually just reached this demand. And let's see for a change of character. Now, change of character, where we break to the downside like this, and we really have no structure overall right here. Again, we just have a small structure. It's really, really risky to actually take. I will never get involved in something like this. So we'll go back to higher time frames and we wait. We wait to see what opportunities the market is giving. Manipulates the demand, skyrockets to the upside. It's fine. We're going on to the next day. I noticed that you like to prefer the there is a question. I've noticed that you like to monitor the 3 minutes time frame. Is there a reason for that? Actually, I like to monitor on the 3 minutes. The structure is very clear, works really well with my strategy on the 3 minutes, but then I also check the 1 minute for entries. So here, what do we have? We have a we have a trending Asian range, manipulation to the upside of these equal highs, and then a continuation to the downside. I would like to look for bearish continuations. So possibly from here or from here. So once we reach it, we go to the 1 minute and we want to check what's going on here. Perfect. Now let's backtest it. In this case, we have accumulation, manipulation, break. Would I take the trade? Yes, let's take the trade and stick to our plan. So stop loss here, stop loss here above the high, take profit at the next low. Targeting external liquidity. Price goes from internal to external liquidity. This was all internal liquidity. Now, if we keep going to the upside, maybe we'll look for a trade from here. Again, we're backtesting our strategy. We want to see how it plays out and what accuracy we do have. We will continue pushing. By this time, if we break once more to the downside, I will go break even. Actually, let's look at the 1 minute and let's look if I would already go break even. So here we react, we go to profit, we come back, we break again. Yes, I will go break even at this break actually. So we would have already hit break even actually. But let's look at the overall setup. Pushes to the downside, nice, continues, great. This would have been a break even for me personally. Breaks, goes from internal to external liquidity. So overall analysis is great. Trade management, I would say, yeah, I would have hit a break even. And let's see if there would have been an entry possibility after this break even. Here we have, actually it looks nice. Here we have this break. What is the demand causing this break? It is this demand right here. Right here, change of character, continuation to the downside, possible re-entry. So you have both possibilities, change of character also here. Also, if you don't want to enter right away because you don't want to enter with a pending order, this is the trade that you could have taken, actually. So with that being said, for me, if I would have entered here, this would have been a break even. If I take re-entries, maybe with lower risk, this would have been a nice 1-to-6 restored ratio trade, targeting external liquidity. Don't forget the overall analysis. Asian range is trending, manipulation to the upside, manipulating these equal highs, continuation to the downside. We come back, have a possible entry from one of these two supply areas. This supply area is also good. It was valid. Here we have a good confirmation entry targeting external liquidity down here. Let's save it. Getting ready for a file for members right here. Projects. Let me see. Nice file for members, many case studies. It's coming soon. Don't forget to send your chart if you want me to look at anything that you are looking for. Perfect.